So today I'm redoing our Teak. This is what it looks like right now. It's like dark gray from dirt and whatnot over the winter from it being in storage. So right now I'm using the cleaner, scrubbing it with the scrubby. And then I'll be using the brightener and then the oiling. I find the cleaner, they say you're supposed to put it on dry, but it definitely works a lot better if you wet the area first and then put it on and scrub it. For our boat's, this is 13-year-old Teak, so you definitely need to scrub it. If it was like newer Teak, you might not need to scrub it, but for ours you definitely do. What? No, it'll be water. So you do is wet it first, pour a little bit on, scrubby. So you get your dry spot with the area. So Bailey, can you shut this window?
Where?
In the bedroom.
This one?
Yeah. Pour a little bit on. Let it sit for about 1 minute and then you can rinse it off. So it definitely works pretty good. You can feel it in the brush. If you just try and brush it with just water, it's really hard to brush. Once you put this on, it like lifts the dirt out. And then you let it dry and then you put the brightener on. So that's this section scrubbed out. It's quite a bit of grime in there. So then just wash the area while it's still wet. Don't let it dry on. You're going to want to use lots of water. And what I like to do is, once the brush has been cleaned, I just go over it when it's just water. Get anything that didn't come off. Get all the cleaner out. So we're at a new marina today. The Teak's dried from the cleaner, and now I'm about to put the brightener on. I've put the brightener on this side already. You apply it dry, and then you rinse it off thoroughly. Put a bit on a sponge. Just rub it in. And you let it sit for 2 minutes. And then you rinse it off with fresh water. Use a lot of fresh water to get the chemicals off. So I've put the brightener on all the seats. It's been about 2 minutes, so here's the Teak after it's been brightened and dried. Looks brighter. And now I just have to wait for the rest of it to dry and then I will oil it. So now that the Teak's all dry, some of the oil. Just put on a sponge. Just rub it in. Piece of Teak I had to do, and this is what let me get in the light. This is what it'll look like in once it's done. Turns out really nice. Brings the Teak back to life. Pretty happy with the Star Brite. Takes a few hours for the oil to dry, but I wouldn't put too much on, or else you'd have to dab it off. The wood can only soak up so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.